The good news, Wall Street continues to flirt with its record highs. That said, Gift Nifty continues to trade with caution. The early morning caution is despite the S&P Global retaining India's GDP forecast at 6.5% and most importantly, revises inflation downward. Actually, the trading theme at Dalal Street still revolves around two big catalysts. 1. Trump's 50% higher tariff for India. 2. Trump's new, one-time payment, $100,000 H-1B visa fee. All eyes on Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, who will lead an official delegation to discuss the trade deal, while External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will meet U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio for bilateral discussions. Going forward, all eyes will be on the US PCE price index, the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, which is due on Friday and could provide fresh insight into the Fed's monetary policy outlook. Long story short, caution shall continue to be the buzzword at Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3551 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2671 crores. Risky sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.62 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, was trading firm near the 88.74 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.86 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.13. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Caution advised for Nifty's bullish traders. Nifty, CMP to 5170. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,051 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,466 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25050 and 25300. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 82102. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,151 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,608 to 600. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55510. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,105 6100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Sentiments at Dalal Street is also hit by Indian rupee, which has tumbled to an all-time low to around 88.5 per dollar, pressured by higher US visa fees and steep US tariffs. US President Trump announced a $100,000 fee on new H-1B visas, with Indians accounting for about 71% of the nearly 400,000 issued in 2024. Stocks in spotlight. 1. In yesterday's trade, the Nifty PSU Bank Index, plus 1.09%, was star outperformer. Major PSU banks which were in limelight were State Bank of India, plus 1.79%, Canara Bank, plus 2.55%, Union Bank of India, plus 1%, Bank of Baroda, plus 0.83%. 2. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trading session is that Nifty Auto Index, plus 0.62%, scaled fresh all-time high on backdrop of most of the auto stocks being in the fast lane on festive demand. Maruti, plus 1.69%, in top gear as it hits 52-week high. 3. The Nifty FMCG Index, minus 1.29%, was the biggest loser, and the negative takeaway is that the index is down for the 3 consecutive trading sessions. 4. Reflex Industries rebounded sharply 15.93% higher after the company's board approved a composite scheme of arrangement aimed at unlocking value from its green mobility business. 5. Shilpa Medicare rallied 0.80% after the firm received the initial authorization from European Medicine Agency, EMA, recommending final marketing approval for its Rivaroxaban orodispersible films, ODF.